Tesla's quirky and very efficient passenger vehicles have changed the global electric mobility sector. Tesla co-founder and CEO Elon Musk revealed ambitions to enter the commercial transportation business with the Tesla semi-electric vehicle in November 2017. The Semi isn't just any truck. It's a zero-emissions freight-hauling cargo juggernaut that outperforms typical oil guzzlers in every category, including range, economy, operational expenses, and performance. Want to know more? Hey intellectuals, welcome back to the future space. Today's video is going to be really informative, so make sure to watch the video till the end, because we are going to reveal every bit of information about Tesla Semi, so without further ado, let's begin. Tesla Semiconductor Design. The Tesla Semi has a unique cab architecture and possibly the cleanest design we've seen on a truck. It appears to belong in the future. A huge wraparound glass section front and center descends towards the frunk. The glass space is so large that the panels stretch all the way to the doors. Tesla removed the door mirrors from the Semi to improve aerodynamics. Instead, cameras at the extreme rear convey data to the inside screens. To enhance airflow to the big cubic capacity engines, diesel trucks typically have massive grills. As an EV, the Tesla Semi features a blanked-off nose, while its chin has a relatively tiny air inlet to cool the battery, which lies between the front and rear axles. It has a 64-tractor arrangement with one axle in front and two axles in back. The trailer bed and tow hitch are located at the back. Musk made substantial claims about the Tesla Semi's aerodynamic qualities, describing its smooth surfacing and clean overall design. Specifications. Initially, Tesla intended to launch the Semi with 4 rear axle motors. However, a modification to the official website sometime in August 2022 stated that Tesla will offer a tri-motor engine at launch and the previously promised quad-motor powertrain as an option later on. We believe the firm made this alteration to expedite the EV's production start. A Semi tri-motor fully loaded at 82,000 pounds gross combined weight accelerates from 0 to 60 in 20 seconds. It can reach highway speeds up to a 5% incline. A semi-quad motor weighing 80,000 pounds takes 20 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The semi-quad motor could accelerate like a mid-range sports car without the payload, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of roughly 5 seconds. A standard diesel truck, according to the brand's presentation, takes 15 seconds. Furthermore, the semi-quad motor can reach speeds of 60 miles per hour up a 5% hill. According to a November 2017 story by Wired, the Semi will use the same motors as a Model 3, each delivering 258 horsepower. We see over 1,000 horsepower in total. There's no news on torque yet, but we know that electric vehicles produce a lot of torque, so the Semi's powertrain should deliver 4-digit torque values. Range of 500 miles. The range would be a significant problem for truckers. On paper, Tesla has solved range anxiety comprehensively. There will be 2 battery options in tri-motor and quad-motor configurations, one with a range of 300 miles and one with a range of 500. Both variations will have extremely low energy consumption, less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. Given the trucking regulations in the U.S., the claimed figures appear to be more than adequate. According to the U.S. Department of Transportation, truck drivers in the U.S. are legally obligated to take a 30-minute break after 8 hours of driving. According to Tesla, 400 miles is the average distance truckers cover in 8 hours. Tesla Megacharger. The Tesla Semi will feature a large battery pack, necessitating more charging time and faster charging speeds. Tesla, on the other hand, has a solution: megachargers. As detailed in its Impact Report 2020, the company is creating a network of megachargers at trucking rest stations across the US and Europe to make long-distance journeys more sustainable for truckers. Given that the study is over a year old, we're curious how far Tesla has progressed with the megacharger network. Tesla and other automakers have requested the U.S. government to invest in charging infrastructure for medium and heavy-duty electric cars, such as trucks and buses, while developing their own charging network. These companies urged the Biden administration to dedicate 10% of the $7.5 million bipartisan infrastructure plan to be signed in November 2021 to charging infrastructure for medium and heavy-duty EVs. Because most existing EV charging infrastructure is geared for passenger vehicles and vans, larger commercial vehicles require premises that are designed specifically for them. The Tesla Megacharger will provide high-capacity charging and liquid cooling to deal with the extra heat created during the process. Interior design and features. The interior is one of a kind. The driver's seat is centrally located, which Tesla claims improves overall visibility out the windshield. There are 2 more foldable seats behind the driver's seat. On the extreme ends of the dashboard, there are 2 huge touchscreens. Expect Tesla's excellent UI and the typical array of connectivity given in its road cars as well as truck-specific capabilities that exhibit trailer statistics and more. There will also be a full array of remotely controllable functions thanks to the Tesla mobile application. Owners will have access to remote diagnostics, position tracking, and dispatch communication. There's also a predictive maintenance option in which the system analyzes the truck's health and tells the owner when it's time for a service. Fleet owners can also easily obtain this full data. Safety. Another area in which the Tesla Semi will make big strides is safety. The Tesla Semi will come equipped with the brand's enhanced autopilot suite of technologies. Automated emergency braking, front collision warning, and automatic lane keeping assist are among the safety features available. If the Tesla Semi detects no driver input, it will stay in the lane, come to a slow and gradual stop, and phone an emergency number automatically. The Tesla Semi has an improved traction control system to prevent jackknifing. Jackknifing is the peculiar folding of highly articulated vehicles, such as trailers, as a result of uncontrolled inertia. It happens when the large trailers cause the vehicle to twist to abnormal angles, frequently resulting in an accident. Tesla engineers have included an improved traction control technology that completely eliminates jackknifing. Tire inflation system on autopilot. According to various sources, Tesla may sell the Semi with an automatic tire inflation system. The company has been granted a patent by the USPTO for this technology, which might automatically modify tire pressure and keep it at the optimal level. The patent application, according to verified source, named John Furtado as the inventor of the technology. Furtado worked on the brake controls, brakes, pneumatics, tires, wheel ends, and the wheels of the Semi. An ATIS is not a novel technology, but Tesla is working to improve it. Its ATIS version significantly decreases pollution in the air system. The ATIS's life rises as the airstream becomes purer and it requires less maintenance. Price and competitors. When Tesla first announced plans to provide the Semi with a quad-motor drivetrain, the base price was projected to be $150,000 for the 300-mile version and $180,000 for the 500-mile. The Semi tri-pricing motors has not been disclosed for the businesses, but it could be slightly lower. Reservations for the Semi are currently on hold. According to verified sources, the Freightliner EM2 cost $400,000 in 2018, roughly 4 times the price of its diesel version. In terms of diesel semis, a Volvo VNR 300 costs $140,400, according to an A2Z vehicle report from January 23, 2022. Dates of production and release. On August 10, 2022, Elon Musk stated on Twitter that Tesla Semi sales will begin this year. The 500-mile variant will be available by the end of 2022, with the cheaper 300-mile option perhaps following when production starts up next year. Musk stated at the Semi world premiere in November 2017 that Semi production would begin in 2019. However, the company was unable to reach the SOP timetable. The COVID-19 pandemic came out in 2020, and the subsequent semiconductor chip scarcity further damaged the auto sector. Tesla announced in its Q2 2021 earnings report that the Semi launch has been postponed to 2022 due to low availability of battery cells and global supply chain issues in July 2021. However, as of early 2022, Tesla had no plans to release a new model before 2023. Musk announced the Semi will go into production in 2023 as the Tesla Cyber Rodeo event on April 7, 2022. However, conditions have altered significantly, resulting in an earlier SOP date. Alright folks, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you find it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any updates. Till then, you can also check out our other videos as well, and we will see you in the next one. See you!